welcome back to another video with your girl Q. How are my cutie Qs doing today? I miss you so much. Today we have 11 lobster tail, you guys. I made it myself. I'm so excited because I've made lobster tail before and I failed. So I've been very nervous about doing lobster tail myself again. But you guys, I did a really good job. We also are trying for the very first time Tay and Lou. They have their own sauce. So this is Tay's butter sauce. It looks so good, you guys. Here's what it looks like. And she calls it Bang Bang sauce. And I also have some cucumbers that have been marinating and my favorite seasonings with vinegar and a whole bunch of other stuff. If you guys want the recipe, I'll be happy to give it to you, but it's super simple, super easy. So what do you guys think about my hair before we get into the food? I'm trying to get used to this, you guys. I wanted something new. So, yes, you guys, I'm really feeling it and I really love it. And if you don't like it, that's fine. So shout out to my sister who did my hair. And I have some water here. You guys, here is the lobster tail. I'm so excited. It looks so good. I did such a good job. I did such a good job. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all of this butter and garlic. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is delicious. That is so good. So these lobster tails came from Costco. These lobsters came from Costco, you guys. This is 11 lobster tail. Here. Oh my God. I can't tell you what it tastes like. You really just have to make it yourself. It's so delicious. You're going to have butter running down. It's going to get messy. You just have to expect that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me show you these cucumbers. Did y'all see the cucumbers? Look at that. So good. So you guys, I don't know about the red eyebrows. What do you guys think? I don't know about them. I'm still trying to get used to this. I wanted my hair red so bad, you guys. And what I love about Derek sauce is that it has a lot of garlic in it. I love garlic. This stuff is so tender. And y'all, I was scared of lobster tail for the longest time. I was scared of it because I made it one time and it was like mushy and falling apart. And I was like, I can't be right. Look at that, you guys. Oh, I did so good. I did so good, you guys. So proud of myself. Oh my God, look. Here, have a bite. Open up. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is delicious. Whew. I really outdid myself. I'm gonna leave in the description box because if you guys are wondering how to make it, I'm gonna leave the lady's video that I used to help me with this lobster tail video. Oh, excuse me. So how are you guys doing today? I'm doing really good. I had a really good weekend. I had a very busy weekend, but I'm thankful. It's good to be busy. Very good to be busy. I don't mind. It's the devil's playground. And that is the truth. Here's your bite right here. Open. Unbelievable. These cucumbers are so good. These cucumbers, I made them today. They taste better as you let them sit overnight. So if you're going to make them, Let it marinate. Look at that. Look how good that is. So bomb. Ooh. Excuse me. So I'm gonna start doing different sauces on my channel next month. The next sauce we're gonna be trying is chomp sauce. I'm so excited to try that. My mom really likes it. Shout out to Mama Cutie Q, Deani Eats. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my mom, Deani Eats, and my sister, Chelsea Chews. So I'm gonna be trying that. I'm super excited about that. But the sauce, I love garlic in this sauce. If you like garlic, excuse me. I did so good on this. I'm so proud of myself. So proud of myself. For stepping out of my comfort zone and doing something that I was afraid of. I've been wanting to do lobster tail on my channel for so long. I think the last time I did a lobster tail, was the disaster video that I did, it was like falling all apart. I didn't do a good job. And I forgot the point I was getting ready to make. But yeah, I did it on my channel. It was like back in the summertime. I had just started not too long. Like I had just started I was probably like 2 months in. Oh my God, you gotta get that thing sopped up good. It's not too spicy. I can handle spice, not too over the top, but it's not too spicy. But you know, you can modify any sauce the way you like. Oh my gosh, you guys. But yeah, stepping out of your comfort zone and doing things that you're not used to doing or you're not excited about doing, it's so worth it, you guys. I don't think I will ever buy any lobster tail from anybody because I can make it myself. And, you know, it's just so much easier, so much better when you make it yourself and you know how to do it, you know? I made it perfect. I made it perfect. And these cucumbers are so good. Oh my God. So bomb. I really don't know what else to say. It's so good. I'm gonna eat one more. I'm gonna do the small one. Ooh. This is very filling. Ooh wee, this is so good. You guys gotta try this. Do you guys like lobster tail? Shout out to Tay and Lou. Thank you for creating the sauce for us to try. Very, very good. Very, very good. So good, you guys. So good. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me for yet another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this video. Excuse me. Make your own lobster tail. It is so easy, so good. I'm gonna link everything in the description box. I'll save these for my mom or something. I don't know. But I love you guys so much. I thank you guys so much for your support, your love, your genuine support, and your loyalty. I really, really appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye.